You gotta just go for it.
I'm appreciating being healthy.
I feel like you're just coming up with excuses.
No, I want to do it.
No, you don't.
Come on. Hey, Will has pulled out his Subway sandwich, man. You gotta do it, bro. We're getting hungry out here. Hey, you guys, we're here today with future Olympian for the Mexican national team, Will Cortez. Welcome to Fremont Skatepark, and welcome to my most anticipated video of 2020.
Sick.
Can I tell you why?
Why?
Because we've been trying to get Uzi to drop in on the deep end of this pool. For how long, Nigel?
Hey, I've dropped
Too long.
I dropped in on a pool.
Hey, you dropped in on a pool, which was about 9.5 feet, regulation size for the Olympics, and that was at the California training facility.
Dude, that one is so much harder than this one.
Now we're here at this Fremont deep end of the pool, and he says that that one is harder than this one. So we're here today for Uzi to conquer his fears and for Glowboarder to also conquer his fears.
Yeah.
Because what happened is I called the boss and I said, can we turn this into a battle royale video for some cash? And they said, we got $100 cash for whoever drops in on it first.
Let's go.
$100 cash right now.
I feel like Glo's gonna be motivated by this.
Okay, and why are you not motivated by this?
Wouldn't? That's $100.
Seriously.
The Godfather plays with money, you know. Of course he's gonna go for it.
And to make this a little easier, to run them through any hiccups they're having, we have Will here to run them through everything. And he's gonna be coaching them on their way to dropping in. I was gonna say Olympic status, but it's just dropping in. So I think we start on the smallest, go bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger until we get to right here.
Yep.
And then we'll just coach them through everything.
Baby steps is key.
Exactly.
There's something you should know about me.
What is that?
I have long legs and bad balance.
That's just an excuse.
Tony Hawk is just as tall as you, even taller.
But he has good
Burnquist
balance.
is taller than you.
You
No, he's not.
skateboard, you have good balance.
Yeah.
You've been skateboarding your whole life.
You haven't skated
If you
your
can skate
whole
straight,
life.
you can skate.
Not vert.
Switch straight.
That's right.
It's a lot easier to go from being a street skater to a bowl skater than it is from going from a vert skater to a street skater.
No way.
100%. I am not gonna go jump down like a 15 set or 10 set.
Dude, this is scary.
All right, come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's just start warming up, let's go. All right, so where would you recommend going first?
That is not what it's gonna feel. This is the closest one.
No.
This is literally
the hardest one in the park.
In the entire skate park.
Well, then all I gotta do is this.
Yeah. Just don't do that. Dan, what do you think is gonna happen? You think he's gonna do it?
Yeah.
I can't tell yet. You know who I think is gonna do it?
Glo.
My boy Glo. My boy the Godfather. He's out here getting hyped. He's not saying anything, but I can see it.
Yeah, Glo.
Right?
Glo, my money's on you.
Hey, you're not saying nothing. You're not saying nothing right now, but I know you're getting fired up right now.
I'm deep in my head right now.
Let's go! Let's go! Dude, after seeing the pool for that long, this is the smallest thing ever. Bro, this is tiny. What happened?
Dude, I made it. You're like dropping in like this.
Oh! Yo, that's what. Oh!
What did I hit?
That.
Ow!
I hit one too. I was safe. Somehow I made it over the top of that.
He jumped from the bottom and he like jumped up.
I leaped to fake that one.
Alright, this bowl's scarier than another bowl. That's all I got to say.
Hey, this one is much more dangerous because you drop in and then there's death traps down there.
Are you good? I got a crouch?
Yeah, so when you go, start like this, like a little bit more down, and you push, stay low. You have to keep your center of gravity.
That's what I'm saying. I need to be a midget.
I wasn't even looking, I was looking back and I was just go woo. Okay. and you can see the difference. This is easy. I'm just trying to do it like how I would do it over there. It's like, I would die right there.
Dan's in his head. I know that, because he's exactly like me.
Don't stand up at any point. I think he's just got to go over there. Yeah.
Getting in his head. You know what the best part is, Dan? Glo's already over there practicing on the small side.
He's got it.
He's in it to win it. I love that. There you go. That looked good. Woo! Yes, sir.
I bet you that felt good too, huh?
It do feel good. I don't know about that side though.
Let's go. Hey, my boy Glo's in it to win it right now. He's in it to win it.
You're just gonna get a little bit more speed, and you just want to stay low, and then you're gonna hit the bump. Technique, you're gonna be perfect.
He's got it.
I swear.
He's got
Don't
it.
back out. If you back out in your mind, that's when you fall.
Yeah,
Whenever you guys are ready, you just say the word.
I tried to drop in on something that wasn't even that tall, I don't think. And then somehow I took my foot off. I can't do birds. I'm not meant to be a bird skater. And then you just went for it.
Oh, that really makes you want to do it now.
Well, one, he hesitated, and two, what I was gonna say is I think it's easier if you like try and stay closer to the ramp.
That's when I just landed on my knee.
You hesitated.
That.
Nothing happened. You hesitated yourself.
I was like, that's it, I'm going. You just have to have that mentality.
Once you step on and you go, you're going. Get it.
Glo, whenever you're ready. Just let us go.
Stay a little lower.
Lower than that?
Yeah, you want to stay compressed as possible when you skate it.
Man.
Ah! Dude, that's
What
it.
is that trick called?
Try not to overspin.
Mean tail
Mean tail.
Mean tail. How you feeling? How you feeling, Chief?
Mean tail.
Hey, you know you can just do it right now. Get $100.
$100.
You can't hesitate.
Why
Just go over there and just do it.
I know I could, but I also could die. And I'm
So just do it.
appreciating being healthy.
Just do it.
Yeah. Will could probably do it in his feet.
Do it.
Let's go, boy.
Right here. New trick.
Come over here, Uzi.
Dude, they got it.
I agree.
That's what's gonna feel like the kick turn part, and then just a drop in, and then it's gonna feel like you're going down from the kick turn.
Wait, you say what?
Terrified.
Really?
Beyond.
That's it.
They're in their heads.
They're in their heads.
Look at Mowgli over here.
3, 2, 1.
It's all you. It's all you. And do it. Come on, just get fired up. $100. Let's go. If you do it first, you walk away with the cash. Should I just go get the cash?
And just actually physically have it?
Yeah, just like hand it to him. Do you think it'd help?
Absolutely.
Is he gonna get one?
Yeah. You gotta just go for it.
If he's blue. He brought it out.
Dang. I don't know, brother.
Do it! Sometimes my...
Right here, first
Let's go, Glo. Let's go. $100. Come on!
I'm gonna send this out.
Sometimes my adrenaline pumps me up and then I can do it, but I don't have any of that. I just feel lethargic and I'm gonna die.
I feel like you're just coming up with excuses.
No, I want to do it.
No, you don't. Because if you want to do it, you would have done it.
No, I don't feel it in my... You don't feel it in my Drop this first.
Let's go.
I feel like we're like...
I'm literally dripping sweat.
We're like making a fool of ourselves, but at the same time, we're probably both the least experienced God skaters.
The funny thing is, I know both of you guys can do it, and after you do it the first time, you're about to be like, oh, man.
Yeah, I know, too.
Let's go. Let's go!
You're right there!
Come on!
You're right there!
Wow. Oh! Come on, you just gonna watch that and then not get hyped? Let's go! You are the godfather. Let's go! Let's go! Glo, please. Glo, please. We want to give you this money. We want to give you this money.
I want to get the money.
Then just do it, dude. Look at Mowgli.
All you have to do is drop in.
You just got to do it.
Don't even try to motivate Dan no more. Motivate yourself.
Yeah.
He's in it. He's out of it.
You saw Mowgli just came up and did it the first time. No. Oh.
Get my back! You got it! Come on!
You got
Let's
it!
go!
Right here!
Let's go!
Count down!
Do it! Count down! 3, 2, 1, go! Go!
You got this, Glo!
You got it! Get his back!
Get my back, bro. Commit.
You gotta just do it.
Alright, that was it. That was
You got this.
it.
You got this.
You got it. Just commit.
Power hug, man. Power hug right here. Power hug.
Come
Come on!
that energy onto you.
Just do
Let's
it.
go! Let's go! Just get it over with. Then never do it again. One time. That's all you need.
Right here.
Just go. Don't even put your foot on. Just drop in.
Right here, bro. Right here.
Just go.
You're gonna roll away.
Just go. Go, go, go. Come on.
Bro, you got it. You're in the position. Everything's You're there.
Get mad at yourself. Get mad at yourself. Get mad at yourself.
Lose my mind.
Hey,
Go ahead.
You're about to be so mad when you do it and you realize how easy it is.
Really?
I'm telling you.
Well, you're the hype out for you. Come on, Dan.
I don't know. I feel asleep today. That's why I haven't been going for it like I did last time.
You gave me a whole speech at the California training facility.
I know.
How you can be afraid, but if you just decide to do something, it's easy. And now
know.
you're going back
I'm
on your
trying-
word
no.
that you told to the people.
No, I'm trying-
you are.
I felt
No, you're going
asleep
back.
today.
Are you
I'm
doing-
trying to.
are you
I'm
doing
trying
this?
to get. I'm trying to wake myself
No,
up.
you gotta just do it, dude.
That one, just this one, takes you more time.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's it. This
Come
one-
on.
wait.
Hey, Will has pulled out his Subway sandwich, man. You gotta do it, bro. We're getting hungry out here.
Line where you're gonna do it or you're not gonna do it, and you're right at that line.
No, you're gonna do it. I believe in you. I have 100% faith. You're just gonna do it and be like, you're gonna yell, you're gonna scream, and glow. Let's go.
One more time, Mog. I'm so sorry. I've said that like 50 times already.
How many times has Glo said one more time, Mogs? Leave it in the comments below.